Imagine a steak so luxurious, so meticulously crafted that it costs a whopping $3,200. Welcome to the world of the Blanc d'Aquitaine cattle, raised in the picturesque north of France by the Boulard family. This isn't just any steak, it's a culinary masterpiece that has been perfected over generations. The Boulard family has dedicated their lives to raising these exceptional cattle, ensuring that each animal is treated with the utmost care and respect. The cattle graze on lush green pastures and their diet is carefully monitored to produce the finest quality meat. The result is a steak that is incredibly tender, with a rich buttery flavor that melts in your mouth. It's no wonder that this steak has become a favorite among top chefs and food connoisseurs around the world. So join us as we explore the fascinating journey of how this extraordinary steak makes its way from the farm to your plate and discover why it is considered the pinnacle of gourmet dining. These aren't just any cows, they are the Blanc d'Aquitaine, a breed renowned for its exceptional quality. Raised in the picturesque fields of southwestern France, these cows are pampered with a meticulously crafted diet of wheat for 6 months. This specialized feeding regimen ensures that the meat develops a rich, robust flavor. But the care doesn't stop there. Each cow receives daily massages, a practice that might seem extravagant but is essential for ensuring even fat distribution throughout the meat. This unique combination of diet and care results in a steak with an unparalleled flavor and texture, making it a sought-after delicacy among gourmet chefs and food enthusiasts alike. The Blanc d'Aquitaine's meat is not just food, it's a culinary experience, a testament to the dedication and tradition of the farmers who raise them. From the lush fields where they graze to the hands-on care they receive, every step in their upbringing is designed to produce the finest quality beef. But what makes this steak so special? It's all about the details. The meticulous feeding and massaging process ensures that every bite is a culinary masterpiece. From the moment the cattle are born, they are treated with the utmost care. Raised on a high-end farm, they are fed a specially curated diet designed to enhance the flavor and tenderness of the meat. The chefs go beyond the ordinary, massaging the steak to break down the fibers, ensuring a melt-in-your-mouth experience. This dedication to perfection is evident in every step, from the farm to the kitchen. The result is a steak that is not just a meal, but an unforgettable dining experience, crafted with passion and precision. Would you pay $3,200 for this exquisite experience? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fascinating food stories. See you next time.